All right. Well, sucks for people who need help with those questions. Okay. Screen share. My actual screen. Share. Okay, yeah. See, this is why I don't do this stuff because I'm not very good at it. Okay. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, we can
Yes.
see.
Okay. So this is your table, right? The first number was 0.71. So you're gonna, you see 0.7 right here,
Uh-huh.
this one. Then you're gonna go all the way to 0.01 to make 0.71. And then you're gonna get 0.7611.
Okay.
And that's your z-score. And then you're gonna do the same thing for 2.86. So you're gonna go down to 2.8.
Mm-hmm.
And then, shoot, 2.8. And then it's 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, or 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06. And it's gonna be 0.9979.
Okay.
And then you're gonna subtract those. So you're gonna take 0.9979 minus 0.7611, and then your answer is gonna be 0.2368.
What?
0.2368.
Okay.
Oh, I found out how to toggle between it. Nice. Okay. So this is 0.0436, the z-scores. And then z equals 0.99. I'm going to do minus 0.0436, which equals right? Am I doing this right? Yeah. Oh no, sorry. I started looking at the problem underneath. I was just like, wait a minute. 0.7611 and then 0.9979. Yeah. So we're gonna erase that. And 7611, and that's gonna equal 0.2368. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah, super easy.
Yes.
And for the next one, we do the same thing, right?
Yeah, you do for 31, you do the exact same thing.
Okay, they're pretty easy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
They just look really intimidating.
Yeah.
Did you do 19 on 7.4?
17 on 7.4. No, I haven't done any of 7.4, but we can do that together.
Okay.
I was looking at my homework, seeing like problems that I skipped. Most of it, I was just worried like about the study guide to make sure I had the problems so I could practice those.
Oh, what page was chapter 9 for? Let's do 450. Maybe that'll work better. 9.1. Look at that. Oh, shoot. Actually, I was right because we're doing chapter 7.4. So chapter 7 was 7.3. Almost there. Okay, so for 7.4, we're doing the binomial probability experiment. So you're gonna want to check that NP times 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10. And then that the standard deviation, and then the mean is gonna be n times p. See, this is what I thought earlier when then I was confused about why we're subtracting 1 minus p. It's because the binomial
Of this
probability
one.
distribution is just np. And then the standard deviation is going to be the square root of np times 1 minus p. Okay. I always just like to go through the book and kind of write all like the formulas that I need to do.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Normal approximation, blah, blah, blah. Okay, what number are we doing? 19?
19.
Okay, right there. So using the binomial probability formula, determine whether the normal distribution can be used as an approximation for the binomial distribution. If so, approximate px and compare the result. So we would just, they want us to check if np times 1 minus p is greater than 10. So since n equals 75, p equals 0.75, and let's just write x equals 60. We're gonna do here, I got you guys, give me 1 second. I'm like writing this on my paper as I do this too.
It's okay.
Okay, so n equals 75, p equals 0.75, x equals 60. So step 1 is to make sure that np times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10. So that'll tell us whether or not it can be like an appropriate approximation.
Mm-hmm.
So 75 times 0.75 times 0.25 equals, and I don't know what that equals. Someone do the math. Let's see.
13.
13?
13.125.
13.125, which is greater than or equal to 10. So it's perfect. So we can keep moving forward.
Okay.
So now we're gonna do, oh, I'm really sad that this pen isn't working. All right, so now we're gonna find the mean, which is gonna be n times p, so 75 times. But see, what's weird is like for the problem before, we did np times 1 minus p
Mm-hmm.
for the mean, but that's not what the book says. And that's where I was getting like confused. Let's see, let's go back here. Sure. Because that's what she did, and we ended up getting the right answer, I believe. So I wasn't really sure why.
Well, we could, send that to her and ask her why, but do it however she said, and then see if you get the correct answer.
Yeah,
And
can
then
someone
we'll
pull up
ask her
the
the answers.
Yeah, oh here, I think I can do that. And then we're just gonna go here. And then we're gonna go. There are 15 chapters. I hope he doesn't take us through the 15, go from 9 to 15 in this next 3 days.
That's too
I'll
much.
be sick.
It would not surprise me at all. Okay, chapter, is that 7.4? 7.4. So 15, the answer was 14.4. Yeah, see, that was right. And then for 19, it's still n minus p.
N minus p?
Or np times 1 minus p. That's so weird. I wonder why it says in the book to just do np. All right, we're just going to keep it with n minus p, since that's what this is telling us. Okay, so where did I write? Let's erase. Okay, so it's going to be NP times 1 minus P, which equals 75 times 0.75 times 0.25, which we just found. So it's going to be 13.125. Wait, is that what the book? Oh, shoot. Is that what the book said, though?
I didn't see.
Let me go back.
Let's see.
It's hard, like flipping back. I give Marina
I know.
props because this is not easy. And maybe it's just because it's the first time I've ever done it, but this is not. See, this is not what that says. It says NP. Oh, NP times 1 minus P is 14.1. I'm very confused, but it also says P30 or P60 equals 0.0677, which I don't get that either. Like, how did they get? Oh, maybe it's just, hold on, please hold. 60 times. This is why we need Marina, because I took AP stats like 5 years ago. So like I kind of remember, but not that great.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's not it either. 0.25 times 60. $1.25. Yeah, I have no idea. I genuinely don't.
I found the answer on Chegg.
Huh?
I found the answer on Chegg.
On Chegg? Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to share your
Like,
screen?
the way they do it, yeah.
You should be a co-host, so I think you should be able to screen share.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Oh, I can't. What the heck? Maybe
No.
maybe I need to stop screen sharing. There we go. Yeah. Oh, what the hell?
That's what?
And there's more.
60.75.
What the heck? Well, this one's not going to be on the test, right?
No.
Okay. I'm going to take a picture.
Use the binomial probability function. Oh. Okay, but the first one like doesn't even, like we don't even need to utilize that number.
Yeah, we need this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Dang it.
So 75 times 0.75, 56.25. And see, that's why I was getting confused earlier, because it's like the book says just NP. And then to find the standard deviation, you just square root that. 56.25.
That whole bottom part.
But he's not putting this on the exam, correct?
No.
Oh God, I hope not.
Thank,
I hope not.
thank God.
Because we only
No.
have to do number 9 and 15. Oh, those are easy. 9 and 15. This one is just really hard.
Yeah, I don't.
But this was good for our homework. This was okay. And then And then for the second half of step 2, you just do what we did for the last section. You do the x minus mu over z or over standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how you find that. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. 14.1. Okay, so whenever you're trying to find like the approximation, you just go 0.5 below and 0.5 above.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Okay.
Okay. Well, at least it's written on my paper, but you said he doesn't even check it. Well, thank God it's not going to be on the test.
What?
I said, thank God it's not going to be on the test.
Yeah.
So if he, at least I have something down if he skims through my homework. That's all I wanted.
I'm still so mad that he doesn't even really check homework because it's like, oh, you're not helping your students, you know, like
Yeah.
you're just,
I feel like it's so much homework.
yeah. And it's not even like the homework enough to really make us understand. Like we get like the bare minimum and he's just like, yeah, good luck, teach yourself.
Pretty much, yeah. Okay.
You guys don't need the screen.
Huh? Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
I screenshotted it. Yeah, I screenshotted it and I wrote it, so I have it at least.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Okay, so what's next?
Let me see.
You guys just want to do 21? Might as well.
Yeah.
For
7.4. Sheesh.
I'm gonna go get my expensive.
Okay, I don't even know what 21's really asking though. Oh, just kidding.
Oh,
I'm looking at the answers, that's why.
Is this
Idiot.
the one he did with us? The
Did he do
flight
this?
time.
Oh yeah, he did do this.
So it's in our notes.
Yeah, he totally did do this. Okay, cool.
Chapter 9.1 of homework. Let's see. So we completed the study guide.
Yeah.
I think.
Okay,
what was
so
9.1 for the study guide? Ah, sorry.
9.1 was 13 and 15.
Okay.
yeah, we did those. Do you want to do something else from 9.2 or chapter 8?
Let me look.
Did we do chapter 8, section 2? So 8.2?
I don't think we really touched chapter 8 at all, if I'm being honest.
Yeah.
So
we can do chapter 8.
Oh, there it is. I was like, why am I missing a whole section? There it is. I did those ones for the study guide, but I had on chapter 8.1, it's like A, B, C, D.
Or 8.1.
Yeah. He said example 1 and then problem 13 for the study guide.
Or 8.1?
8.1 for the study guide?
I thought it was example 1 and 15.
Was it? Did I get that wrong?
But I wrote 15. Let me
Huh?
check.
Check, because if we did, then we can do 15 because I did 13.
Which one is it supposed to be?
I thought it was 13, but you said 15?
Yeah, let me look on
8.
Canvas.
I'm sorry?
On the
8
file
point,
attached,
8.
he put 13 and 15.
He put 13 and for the study guide? Or for the homework?
Oh no, that's for the homework.
For the study guide, he just put,
I don't even see the study guide up on Canvas.
Put it under files.
oh yeah, under files. Let's see. I feel like he was just like making them up as he went. Okay, I wrote for the example 1 for 8.1 and problem 13 for the study guide.
Oh, he absolutely did. What are we doing? 8.1? 8.1, he put up, oh, he circled a whole bunch.
Yeah.
See, that's the thing. He was like answers for the study guide, but it's like you just put the answers up. You didn't even put like how to do them up. He circled number 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and 17.
For the study guide or for homework?
Yeah, it says answers for study guide test 2. I clicked
What?
8.1 and he literally circled 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. I tried to take a picture of the study guide and I guess I did not.
That's so, because he only said example 1 and problem 13 when he was at on Zoom.
Yo, dude, I can't stand this fucking teacher, y'all. Jesus Christ. Study guide test 2. Here we go. There we go. Okay, I got it. For 8.1, it's example 1 and 13. For 8.2, it's 7 and 11.
Okay. I'm like, please don't tell me because I did it. The example, but if you guys wanna,
We can do 13.
it was just like it wasn't bad. It was just C, I didn't understand, and D, part D, I understood the other parts.
This man straight up makes my head hurt.
Oh, you have no idea.
Okay.
And you guys did good. I did not.
Shape, spread, center. All right. The mean standard deviation of the sampling distribution of X bar. So the standard error of the mean is standard deviation over n squared.
Yeah, that's all. That's the formula.
Standard deviation over n squared. Okay. And if random variable x is normally distributed, sampling distribution of sample mean is normally distributed. Okay. I'm gonna keep on going.
Oh, so like this example, I don't know why it's echoing so bad. This example was like, oh no, one of my things died. Shoot, hold on. I'm gonna have to take my,
Sorry, y'all. Let me go close my door.
hold on. I'm gonna take my AirPods out. It's dying.
All right, so number 13. It's going to be here. Okay, determine the mean of X bar and the standard deviation of X bar. Okay, but the mean of X bar is just the
I
mean.
can barely hear
No?
you guys. I'm sorry. My AirPods died and I took them out.
Oh, you're
But I
good,
don't know
girl.
how to. I don't know how to disconnect it. I disconnected it, but it's not. There we go. But I still can't hear you.
You can't
Okay.
hear us?
I can barely hear you. You know what? I'm gonna have to go anyway. I have to go to work. But you're still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have to look at your recordings, but yeah, I my things died and like I can barely hear you. I don't know why.
Mhm.
But I'll look for your recordings later on, you know, maybe tonight after I get home from work or
Yeah, I'll send the
tomorrow I
link
can
over.
look at it. Thank you so much, you guys. You guys have really helped because I was really stuck.
Yeah, girl, of course.
But I will I'll look for your links. Just you have just send it in the text. Thank you, and I'll maybe I don't know if we're studying tomorrow or not, but just let me know if
Tomorrow,
we are.
just in
I
case.
think
Yeah,
so.
'cause
I think Marina's just waiting to get her schedule.
Okay, yeah, I work tomorrow too from 1 to 9. So just let me know if it's before or after, or what time. And if not, then maybe you guys can record it.
Yeah, girl, we got you.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Of course. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye.
Okay, Alex, are you still there? Alex.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm guessing that this is gonna be just like 13. So I'm trying to like read it over. I'm just trying to figure out how they want us to find the mean because I thought X bar was the mean.
Which number are we doing?
For 13. But I'm looking at like example 1 to look at example 13. See, this is like giving us actual scores. See, this is a terrible example.
Yeah.
And that's my thing. Like, I feel like he chooses the worst examples to pair like with the problems because it's like that's not going to help me.
I only know B is 20. That was easy.
I can't hear you. What?
B is 20, just because it's you add 20 and then you subtract 20. That's the mean. That's not the mean. That's the standard deviation, I think.
You said you subtracted 20?
Yeah, because for it says what is the value for B on 13? It says what is the value of, I don't know what that means.
The standard
On
deviation?
the standard deviation, and that's 20 because it's 480 and then we have 500 and we have 520. So the standard deviation is 20.
Oh, I think I was looking at the wrong one because I didn't even see that like, oh, yeah. So the value of the mean is going to be 500. Value of the standard deviation is going to be 20. Simple. I'm tripping. I don't know why, but like, I don't know what I was looking at, honestly. Okay, so that's 500. The mean gonna be, or the standard deviation is gonna be 20, yeah. Okay, and then the sample size is n equals 16. What is likely true about the shape of the population? That's a great question. Well, we can plug that in. So we would do 20 over the square root of 16, which is going to be 20 over 4, which is going to be 5. But I don't know what that means. Like, I got that, but I don't know what that means. Let's look at the back of the book. That is not. Okay. 500. The population must be normally distributed. But like, I don't understand why that would mean that it's normally distributed.
I don't know.
Weird. All right, well, that's the answer. That's the answer. I'm guessing maybe because, like, let's see. The sample size is 16. What is likely true about the shape of the population? Like, I don't get how that correlates. Well, I'm sure it's still going to be normal on the test, so that's just what I'm going to write. All right, so if the sample size is n equals 16, what is the standard deviation of the population from which the sample was drawn? So that's when we would use standard deviation of the population. So what would that be, like mean? Let's see. Let me flip back to 8.2 because I don't want to just like blurt out the wrong thing. So is that when we would use a z-table?
I have nothing.
So we would do like x minus mean over standard deviation, and then we get the z-score, and then we would look at the z-score. That's what I'm assuming anyway. No, that is not what we do. I don't know, man. My brain is like swirling.
Mine's too.
Any input? Do you have any idea?
No. Do you just want to continue tomorrow?
Yeah, that's probably best.
Yeah. These
'Cause
are a
I'm
little bit
blocked.
weird.
I've hit a wall.
Yeah, me too.
All right. Well, this was fun.
Okay.
All right.
So
I'll.
tomorrow at the same time.
Yeah, I don't know. I think we're just waiting on Marina to tell us like when she's free tomorrow, and then we'll figure it all out.
Okay.
But she'll text us in the group chat.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too.